Always remember, safety first. Please choose a place to visit. What are the animals doing wrong? Don't hold the elevator door. Jumping in a moving elevator is very dangerous. Mom! Whenever you go out, you must stay within your parents'
Hi, little one. What are your parents' names? Your child is waiting for you at the information desk.
Always remember your parents' names. Always remember, safety first. Don't talk to a stranger or accept gifts without your parents' permission.
Hi, kiddo. May I have your parents' telephone numbers, please?
1 8 1 2 0 8 2 1 8 5 8
Hello?
Mom! Always remember your parents' telephone numbers. Mom!
Kiki, over here.
Always hold hands when crossing the road on the zebra path. Red light for stop and green light for go.
Salon.
Hey, welcome to Mew Mew's Salon. Let's style the animals. Welcome. The kitten wants to make up. Let's wash the kitten's face. She likes the cucumber face mask. Add some honey. The face mask is ready. Let's start the makeup. Let's dress her up. Welcome. The sloth wants nail art. So many germs! Let's get rid of them. Let's trim the sloth's nails. Let's start the nail art.
Hello, I am Captain Kiki. Raft. Please choose some pretty decorations. Let's go, little Captain. Captain Kiki, the Princess Mermaid is captured by the octopus. Can you find them? I'll find the Princess Mermaid. Follow the map to find the octopus and the Princess Mermaid. The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going. Help! Help! Overboard! Let's save them! Help! Help! Throw the life buoys to save them! Captain Kiki, all our stuffs fell into the water. Can you help us find them? No problem. Let's get everyone's stuff back. Aw, it's rubbish. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Here is your reward. Please open it. Yeah, you've got a piece of the ship. Complete a task and get a piece of the ship. Keep sailing. Let's go. There is a storm. Be careful. Steer the ship to the nearest port. Watch out! The storm is getting stronger! The storm is even stronger! Let's speed up! Yeah! We are at the port! Tie the rope and secure the ship! You are safe from the storm. Here is your reward. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. Collect all pieces to unlock this ship. Keep going. Go! The destination is in sight. Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him.
I will get you. I will be back.
You have defeated the pirate. Great job. Here is your reward. Yeah! put all the pieces together. Keep collecting. The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going. This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. Some logs on the raft are broken. Find the broken logs and replace them with new ones. The new log is too long. Please cut it short. Then fasten with ropes. Our ship has been repaired. Here is your reward. Yeah! You've got a piece of the ship. All pieces of the dragon boat have been collected. Keep sailing. Let's go. Captain Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Here is your reward. Wow, you've got a sticker. The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going. The Princess Mermaid is on that island. The Princess Mermaid is right here. We need to unlock this coded lock before entering. Slide the coded lock to find the correct shape. Welcome, Captain Kiki. Mr. Octopus wants to make friends with us. What do you think of it? Really?
That's right. Let's be friends and enjoy delicious food together.
Okay, perfect. Great job. Here's your reward. Wow, you've got many rewards. treasure adventure.
The Dream Town is a beautiful and cozy town. One day, it was suddenly hit by a terrible earthquake. The houses in the town were all destroyed. Lots of coins are needed for restoring the town. What should we do?
You can count on us. We are Little Panda Treasure Hunt Team with courage and intelligence. The coins are hidden in the treasure chest. Let's find the treasure chest to restore the town.
Where is the treasure chest?
Look, this is the treasure map. Wow, treasure map. Let's check it out. Follow the treasure map and you'll find the treasure chest. Let's go.
Thus, Kiki and Mew Mew head for the depth of the ancient ruins and start their treasure adventure.
Huh? This? Treasure chest! It's the treasure chest! There must be a lot of coins inside! Great! Great! The treasure chest is hidden deep underground. Little Panda Treasure Hunt Team can't reach it. What should we do? Water? Wait! We can use water! The buoyancy of water can make objects float. Good job, Kiki! Little Panda Treasure Hunt Team, let's go! Wow, here's the treasure chest we are looking for! Dig up soil and let water go through the pipe so the treasure chest can float. Wow, a lot of shining coins! Great! We can get tips here. We found the treasure chest. Let the water go through this pipe. Yeah, great! We've got so many coins. We found the treasure chest. Let the water go through this pipe. Drag the button to move the screen. How clever! We've got so many coins! We found the treasure chest! Let the water go through this pipe! Oh no! We failed! It doesn't matter. Come on, let's try again. Oh no, the water is running out. Don't give up. Let's give it another try. Wow! A lot of shining coins! Great! We found the treasure chest! Let the water go through this pipe! Wow! A lot of shining family life!
Welcome! Dear kids, let's shopping at the supermarket together.
Sure, I love shopping at the supermarket with Dad. Supermarket! Supermarket! We need to buy these things. Fruit and vegetable section. Find all the fruits and vegetables you need. Awesome! Awesome! Which should I tap to weigh fruits and That's not correct. All done! You're great! Cake section.
Bake a cake you like.
Toys section. Oops, some toys are hidden. Let's find out. Correct. Clothes section. Choose the right one. You look great. Correct. You look great. Done. Let's pay. Hello. Peach. Mushroom cake. Toy dress. Hat. Shoes. How would you like to pay? Cash. Thank you very much.
We have finished shopping. Thank you for your help.
Let's do it with JoJo!
Shopping together is conducive for kids' physical and psychological development, thus strengthening the family bonds.
Hippo ordered scrambled eggs with tomatoes. Scrambled eggs with tomatoes. Welcome to Mew Mew's Cafe. Your order will be ready soon. Tomato. Green onion. stove. It's ready, enjoy! Scrambled eggs with tomatoes.
I want to eat this.
Scrambled eggs with tomatoes.
I want to eat this.
Scrambled eggs with tomatoes. I want to eat this, thank you. Spicy bean curd. Tofu. Beef. Green onion. Beef. Cooking wine. Salt. Soy sauce. Let's turn on the stove and start cooking. The fire is out. Let's turn it on again. Ground beef. Your mobile device to flip the food in the wok. Tofu. Chili powder. Chili bean paste. Water. Green onion. It's ready. Now turn off the stove. It's ready. Enjoy. Spicy bean curd. Spicy bean curd.
I want to eat.
Spicy bean curd. Pick a boat for your adventure. Regenerate it. Hi! Kiki, please deliver these letters to Santa. No problem. Have a safe trip. We are almost there. Come on. The storm is coming. Watch out. Oh no! Help us with the boat! Yay! I must deliver before dark.
Could you help me?
I must deliver before dark. What's wrong, Stompers?
I'm lost. Could you give me a lift?
No problem. Come on board. We are almost there. Come on. Look out for the pirates.
Arr, prepare to be boarded.
Tap on the fruit to avoid being hit.
Darn it! Lucky you!
We have escaped. Here is the reward. Let's roll.
Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
Please accept this. Bye. Have a safe trip.
Nothing can stop us. Let's roll.
Your boat chased away all the fish.
How about I help you catch some fish?
Thank you.
You're a skilled fisherman. This is for you. Here are your fish.
Wow, I love the fish you caught. Please accept this. Bye. Have a safe trip.
Nothing can stop us. Nothing can stop us. Rudolph, what's wrong? Do you need help? I dropped my stuff. Could you fish them out for me? You can count on me. I can get your stuff. Thank you for recovering my belongings. Please accept this.
Kiki, could you help me with something?
What's wrong, Hippo?
My boat broke down. Could you send this banana to Alan?
You can count on me.
Sail safe.
Let's roll. Nothing can stop us. Hi, Alan. This banana is from Hippo. Thank you for delivering the banana. Here is your reward. Bye. Have a safe trip.
Hi, Kiki.
Hi, Santa. These letters are for you.
Thank you for delivering all the letters.
You're welcome.
Please accept this. I'm going to deliver all the toys.